Nsem na fe yanchichi nkomo tie we
My fiance, you know be Beyonce.
Adom
So tell us say you not get money. That day you be your monkey. Seriously, body go funny. Nobody go call you honey. They can't know okay go.
Now beat me a TV na Arabia. But Oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Obi hu listen live radio. No I click so. Ebe bia ba se de hu ni. Both multimedia stations in now. Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no I click so. It's fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pe. The obeti ani.
Adom FM 106.3.
Hey, ba for red one mo. O ye titi ni pa. Go Frank dey no. Frank dey no wanyi amanya go bo refi no. E ba for ye the mate. O ye titi ni pa. I was your CBG, your most trusted bank. As a covered abrazo. You got no what your best service in a very professional manner. Oba, your customer service and your first class. And to CBG, as a COVID abrazo, over to me your transactions in you know. You understand dial it star 924 hash and get ticket star 924 hash. Now for why your transactions in you know. CBG, as we stand with you. Follow on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter at CBG Bank Limited. Hope I say we from 0302 216000. After my main cook room, I'm going to the driver for an acre. Private car owners, Mosumokomu Buana, and your Monkabia, Monfama Nuntum. We are Asana Mashami experience. Nema Casa for Fango, and Asamo. As I can enough Fango, you are politics. We also may buy me say, I reduce it drastically, your TB. And this year, person. I'm mobile Hokran the Huria. Ebekai, I'm a Benigo for Abbas, be a fag gallon. As if one would to me to a ton, say, I just say a better sweat. Be a buy now. I say, yeah, question BDC, yes, yeah, more. As for taxes, go so. I bet you are home. 0302216561. Me watching us from drink out. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. I was here? Okay. I get it better again. Mate. EcoBank at that room, as I say, I buy levies be up with you. I'm very, very easy. EcoBank, any buying payment system, no my integrity. And no a Ghana.gov platform. And the EcoBank is say, I bind to be our person with to be a bind to and to an ebisuswa ebiso and I bind to be a person with to be a patch over to me. You sue EcoBank and no the EcoBank mobile, EcoBank Omni Plus, EcoBank Omni Light. And to who make payments, they are called the Ghana Revenue Authority, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, Registrar General's Department, any buying agencies in India, custom duties, corporate income tax, and also domestic taxes, passport application fees, metropolitan, municipal, and district assembly fees, and other business registration. EcoBank, I am very, very easy. EcoBank Mobile, EcoBank Omni Plus, EcoBank Omni Light. Over to me at Tiafaso. A batch of EcoBank. It was 0800 003 225. A motor free number. EcoBank is a COVID abraid. Stay safe. Na baby, I'll be Kobia shell mask what it.
Even after all my spending a year, but I'm a go became a year, because we reach a go no motor up here. So the Niger go wait to go be me. Now, financial woman be that. Relax. Now, financial woman be that. Relax. Cut your coat according to size. Oh, in the river, open your eyes. Making
no be like hypnotized. My brother hustle and tight.
Me bacho en kaibo we tie ni ye ma me pa.
Be natural accountant.
Tie ni ye na so no so.
Accountant.
The Ghana Revenue Authority say men control.
Say you no get money. That day you be ugly monkey.
Especially taxpayers and the general public.
Nobody go call you honey.
That's a say.
You don't get
with the passage of 3 laws, you know, any amendment I to 2 existing ones, you know. Ghana Revenue Authority. I'm also developing guidelines. I have taxpayers. Any officers with the implementation. And just say, so we'll call on my website www.gra.gov.gh. I'm going to show me the Bobo Swatcher administrative guidelines on COVID-19 health recovery levy. Administrative guidelines on COVID-19 health recovery levy. And we'll call my website administrative guidelines on financial sector recovery levy. And also and at the chat administrative guidelines on penalty and interest waiver act. But you walk on my website. Go download the administrative guidelines and abua taxpayers in the smooth implementation of the levies and the waivers. Commissioner General NSN Kaiboy Mefantu Weni Atisha Nonsomami.
Financial woman be that relax. Na financial woman be that relax. Na financial woman be that relax. Iwori wo kribe gonunu. Iwori wo kabe gonunu. Na so.
I was here and check back on Hamana Sona Fe Marco Chichin Comani Bisa about fuel increment, you know. Young Chef said your air call.
Finance tell us say you don't get money. That day you be ugly monkey. Seriously, brody, go funny. Nobody go call you honey. They can't know Okwego. Imakono Diego. Ichikwego. Ibego no no. Na financial woman be that. Relax. Na financial woman be that. Relax.
Again, number point and call gas. Everything the master for your bed belly. Why are the phone saga from Natalie?
I was your fool last summer making Mekwa Manaswako Chichin Kamo. Every the Institute for Energy Security or my issue statement, number some kind statement in the first paragraph. Namekwa Manaswako Chichin Kamo. I'll say the decision to increase fuel taxes is miscalculated, careless, and inconsiderate. First paragraph. I'll say today hardworking people are to endure the insensitive decision by government to increase fuel prices, particularly during a pandemic due to government's appetite for taxation. Wow. Nafe yani Openi Emmanuel Hache, a research and policy analyst. Yani Nechuchin Kamo. Too bad. Mr. Hatcher line, I drop it. Monshe Mami. Now you're to me in because I'm a statement. I'm a purchase. I buy Gigana for who cry. COVID-19, I bring and yet to form. I'm a purchase. I buy 3 more day.
Emotional accountant.
I'm a purchase. I buy any other diacra. I'm a statement. I'm the buyer. And some woman.
Nobody go call you honey.
I didn't buy any other diet. I didn't buy Gigana for. I didn't buy COVID-19. I bring and Juma Egu. Ejima ya for mo salaries. Ya tetiso. Ya konafe Openi Emmanuel Hache. Mr. Hache, what mean cash drink out?
Asumdien Council.
E ba cho bibia bokwa no pay.
Na miada Roma we dia chair no pay.
Right, we din say dia me boy no no Hache.
Hache Derek Emmanuel.
Okay, enti Hache na mpese mi ho.
Pache no.
Okay, Emmanuel Derek Hache.
Pachane.
Yeah, that's bebre. Asumdien count. Now, what the statement about Bonting on the fuel increment?
Pachane.
Now,
yes.
At this particular point, that buying why am I inconsiderate, insensitive. Where's am we use I know ship how?
Yeah, that's me chia with tifo nyina anopewe. Yes, yeah, policy advocate in the energy sector. We play a role as a civil society organization. And at time our aim is that there should be a balance in demand and supply of energy. And to many women, yes, yet the pricing window at our projections. Now, before I say the projections, we take into consideration a lot of factors. About how exchange rate, about how the taxes in the system, about the demand and then the supply. Now we factor it into one, and a deep pricing window at the back projections. Now for the May pricing window, your project is looking at the circumstances, fuel prices on the international market, our exchange rate, then the local taxes. We projected say there will be an increment in fuel prices for the first pricing window of May. And say from the 1st of May, government new taxes be back into play. About the energy sector recovery levy, the sanitation and pollution tax, which is taxed on the fuel price fuel. Now the woman say the government wants to raise revenue. Now raising revenue, there's no issue with it, if only to be used for a judicial purpose. But the government will raise revenue. Now the revenue is in the form of indirect tax. That indirect tax is on a commodity. It has an inelastic demand. I just say so to them cry and one I use and at all costs, people will buy it. It means that the government is looking for an easy way to tax people. Now, if you are looking for an easy way to tax people, you should look at the situation that we are in. A pandemic now, you won't see here. When you say among for so much, among for Noma and Kosovo, our schools should be a Noma Bibre and Koye. The government himself has said, we are in an abnormal era. Now, so we are in an abnormal era there. And yeah, Argentina, also raising revenue, is this the time for you to raise that revenue? And what products should you tax on? Should the tax now be placed on an inelastic good, i.e. the petroleum sector? And one same room. You said the energy sector recovery levy air into play. You said the pollution and sanitation tax air into play. Then it's a boss, I increase your margin and a lot of other things. Nina, my price I increase it by 12.4%. 12.4%, we think that it is too much. Looking at the situation that we are in, the government should have been more sympathetic with the ordinary person, because when you increase the price of fuel, the price of fuel increment has a ripple effect on a lot of things. Imagine someone got off fuel near tomb. Who the car the cook find your transportation first, a becoso, and check, almost so many increase over there. Of course, we are the Pacono Cotta, the numbers of a boca, and to also need the better so. Then the ordinary person and what children in this pandemic Nanka was a buy a yana domono, not also a quacotua. Indirectly, with your tax. But Mr. The government is finding an easy way to raise the money.
But Mr. Hatcher,
think it is too much.
I'm pretty sure, sir, a buying explanation or the buy and sana this increment bano otie.
I buy the explanations a buyer, but we think the timing is very wrong. In other countries,
the timing of the implementation okay,
yes.
But we'll be a name da COVID beko. We're still in the pandemic.
Good.
And
COVID beko.
Yeah.
It came just 1 year. 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. If you have a strong foundation, say uye nipa, na say unim da hon bechire wenti we save. Meaning say so save wa hon chire wa no wadi usa akobom no wadi abo ahon. Obi anim da accident beba, obi anim bibia at the boni bebeto no. Until we tap into our savings in terms of dire distress.
I buy and save it from a heifer.
What you say?
I buy and save it from a heifer.
No, you don't save when you are in a situation. You save when you are feeling comfortable.
Okay.
So that in the future, when you have an issue, your savings will save you. Anything covered by a pandemic, we were able to go and tap into the stabilization fund for the benefit of the ordinary person. That is what I'm talking about. And to say government in himself, all these things are there. Should this be the time? All COVID, amount for within just 1 year, should this be the time for you to implement that? And we have an issue with bust margin that has also been increased by another 3%. It was increased just last 11 months ago to 3%.
Hello, Mr. Hatche. Hello. I was about to raise Mr. Hatche. Humano Samami Nafe. Yantuan Comachucheno so from Brana, Membra Humano Suna, Yanchuchikomo. Esiano journey a higher Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem Jumedie. Indeed, full price increment in a no assembly. Hello, Mr. Hatche.
Yes, boss.
Okay, great. Fatcha me, Humano drop a.
Okay, let me bust margin.
Yeah, sure.
Me say in 2015, that bust margin on 3%.
Right.
But in 2019, just 11 months ago, 2020, we increasing it to 6%. That is additional 3%. Now, the MD of BOS within this year, I can say BOS is making a profit of 30 million in 2020.
Right. 30
million Ghana cedis. Now, a company that is making profit should have good balance sheets. But we don't understand that you are making profit in 2020. Then now, when we are in a pandemic, and BOS is supposed to be the strategic reserve of the government, so that in terms of their distress, the BOS can relieve.
Hello, Mr. Hatche. I was on Mr. Hatche. My name is Baby or Namna. Our man, drop into Moshe Mame. Mr. Hatche, you best see Nafe. What's your analysis? Any statement? Modiaba, we are the Institute for Energy Securities. Mr. Hatche, my name is Old Driver and Nasa, baby. I want a woman drop. Oh, okay. Okay. Great. And see, Messina bought so 11 months. Now, why increasing it by 3%? Now, 2020. Managing director Abba said they made profit of 30 million Ghana cedis. That means that things should be well going on. Mr. Hatche, and Yamfana Senka, I buy a was set or Yiskana at least, or the cushion yen. Said a bear increment way mass, he cannot own you thing.
And tell them, say you save when you are comfortable.
No.
And at this period, a BOS, the role of BOS is supposed to be a strategic reserve for the government.
Okay.
It's a strategic reserve of the government. You don't need any BOS margin at this period. Just 11 months ago, we increase here. So if that one is also taken off, wouldn't the price come down? It will also come down.
As we speak now, your savings be buying bet million in Sako Boom.
It's up to the government and it's up to BOS the profit that they are making.
No,
that's what we are all living up to.
Institute for Energy Securities, more researchers, at least you know government about government savings. Money savings be a what baby are buying bet million in Sako Boom to cushion us in this pandemic.
Minya, as a government, it is your responsibility to take care of the people. Now you've been collecting taxes. This is not the first time. And then we have all the various BOS margins. We have all the various levies. The energy sector levy by ESLA in 2015 was supposed to expire in 2019-2020. But it has been extended. So it means the government knows what they are doing. Aside that, when COVID came, we got a lot of funds from World Bank, IMF. We even went into a stabilization fund. The Bank of Ghana gave us a lot of money. All these things are supposed to cushion us. So if you manage it very well, you wouldn't have been complaining at this time, raising taxes. That is an indirect tax on a very sensitive good at this particular point in time.
But I'm sure Sika will be boss swinging Abanji or Cardio.
Abanji, one of our Bonaconta or Ghana has said, I'm not interested in that. What we are interested in is the government should be very sensitive to the ordinary person. Because when you increase the price of fuel, it will affect transport, it will affect production. It will also affect our the end product of Adini Betono. Ninino culminates into a way of burdening or overburdening the ordinary Ghanaian who is not even out of his feet in this pandemic.
Right, and they say increase the option Ben The
option that the government has is also Ghana including IES and other CSOs. And at the ordinary Ghanaian, it is not too late. Government are increasing taxes for the introductions, new ones, it is not too late. The government can play its role to reduce or remove some of those taxes. Tax new ones in the banner, you are postponing it because the COVID now, it is not over. We are just 1 year down. And after 1 year, we cannot be overburdening the ordinary Ghanaian. In the other countries, they are cushioning the ordinary person to be able to have a normal lifestyle. So at this time, if you're overburdening them, how would they survive?
But if indeed, Anka, a buying percent or Anka say implementation, implementation will always come. But when you are in a situation that needs urgent ways for the ordinary person to survive, you don't overburden the person at that particular point in time. You can find other ways to sustain the person. Then you cannot tell the person, these are the reasons why we're able to do this. And this is what I want you to help me to achieve. The other one, everybody will accept it. But at this moment in India, we think, sir, it is very unfair to the ordinary person. I thank you, sir. Why? Right. For Emmanuel Hatcher, one of the directors at Institute for Energy Securities. And indeed, Yanina Chichin Command. Yabekwa Manasubi Nafe Yane, the PRO, True Drivers Union, Yaberima, Yanina Chichin Command, Yaberima, Ultimate Castle Drinktown.
Thank you.
Maybe Aboquano pay.
Masubro, Yamen.
Yamenene. As they say, Matutu, a Imuana, Lorry Fence, Mudada.
Baby, na Yamia Dumwa, or that or China, near the Fijinae.
And the July, Mudi see how many percent?
Yo, as a Mamentia Ghana for you Titu baby or Fidi, Lafuma, Ecodubia, and Opamwa, Yaka Wina Foa, or Muya Mobo Brano, a boy jetty, ya driver for me, native for to be a Yabutre, na Yanaye, and no one come more in the Asha Sia, I don't have from Madame, ye the Kabi. Nina say, Obakaya. Me who didn't come last 2 months, Kura, and come ya, a yafango boya, Emma, ye mubi, Kurasi, Jinaya say, and ye be a best Ghana for, number we are mobile kakra, ye tinato fango no. And in Comodian Cosunano, Emma, a year transport operators, ya my Ghana, ye say, ye better now buying back Combra Sibigim, no Cobana, Yamra Sibiga for no so 2 Omudi Aire Ghana for no. Omudi Tumwa, Yansian Yasindia can be one say Baba Besre Asempa. Now I come a Ghana for Atiwa Dume from a Fidication to say Naba in the Ghana for Wiyamobo. And no, that's sorry, you say, I buy say the entire Watu Satu Wimuno, Engineer say, Ebima Yabola, Ewukrum, Yanchi Obia and Chinaso, Yawatan Council for. Assembly for Wimu, and so no, or more betting Yabua, Mayi Bola, and a Senka for, and tis out to win a buy, brought 400 tours so yeah, sanitation and policing levy, and the idea, and now so pump in a swa, Asempa, now and 5 CDs, 45 pesos, and then we know, say, 6 CDs, 13 pesos, 4.5 liters, and 1 gallon. Enti asempa boa ye na ye magana fo nyina hu se ni e to fango no enti wo de
me ya no 27.58 na just ye better no e be 27 cedi 50 pesos and a driver for mo na mbetimi akere
me pa cho ye Ghana ye di no o fre dankana mu akopɛ Ghana ana se ukɔ fuwe pump dia so a on se o to fango na say nru 0.5 wo kwa eno ne yenye say sika ni free ho mpa cha say wa hye ne so and enya bro 5 no so a ye fa no 1 cedi because I want ye ni coins ho
okay
and for now automatically no 27.585 no that say 28 cedi no as
I say petrol 1 gallon 28 cedis
say we share send your pump in so as I'm pastor I said the American what you say o ko to bu 200 Ghana no one figure no And I said, oh, fairly. Let's say a boy could do 200 Ghana, now it's 3 coins in the 40 pesos here. Certainly, a him feel one on boy. But a bro 50 pesos a consumer, you're in 1 city. 20 from now on 28 cities, you know.
Wow.
Now, I know Pahua, Tia High. Share the entire movie transport sector. I didn't say, I brought your dear could be a wood dear or my Ghana. I'm saying that's what we can't Ghana. No, I'm paying the bar one team because say you bet me the economy number. Let me only pump the end in farmer. Okay, sorry, you know, I say a baboa. Sana ye, ya done a cremotia. Sabi a pejano more masalatia. Yan your son tem. Ya the contain and a consul. I brought my paying the casano. Not DVL for from a service charge 20%.
Jim FM.
I brought my paying casano. Oko port import duties here. Yen we are more a toss spare parts cofano. Ya two more service charge in the more port 20%. As empire cofana be on the bar. Me man you need that fair. Ya the best say Adom FM consul. No more ya drive for near Koto. Enti sa bed in na no be abegu so lubricant oil la. Yes, sir, every month, you know. And you have to move 40%. When you say I'm moving to use gas. As I'm parking here gas, you got gas. And I don't say that say. And no free wa. As I'm parking here, hey, ya woman pan say. Me no can say. Abai etinya hwe nyame anim ayira driver for say dondo. Asam na da ho na tem bia no. Petrol boko soro enyama boko soro a ye hu adoma form bon azampo ni be timi de akonsia ba obabu sa adenti bi atini se kai nyanyina hu se bo dwentinye na mom ya nto ebuo no mu enya bia ya tutu mu kosoro no ye ko basika no wei enti ya de ha ma bo so ya de wo ko paga ye du kintampo ko mu hoyi na Adom TV aba be twa ye yi kire Ghana fo no enti akwa se aban no di animonyam na wo ha Ghana fo nyina se bibi be se sa azampa fo anu tumbi ye frekopa Ghana institution bi a wo my Ghana mu won world market nko he se fango ne bo no ekosoro na because aban yo ka kire ye se Ghana oni ye bedie no enkane no de na se wo ho amofa ne se subsidy no untini biem na momu de ama OMC ni BBC fo ne se fango bo no amukọ amonone na ne bo adia yentum emfama Ghana for yete so ayente so enya no de bo to automatic adjustment formula no dollar to be edewu dollar cedi rate be edewu
ya be ma ye ka we nyina ebesi se efi o kire ko ye be faka mo betum ye be si ehu se mo betum by what percent
en chance yo kina na mamenka ma ensi su se eji ensem nso a governing in your bonnet because Ochina no more transport operators na ka concern GPRC union other union na aka no ye kwa kosi na ye na enya nwanwa se wa mu chichemu aduanan bi die asempa baba be fu afidie so ama maboa yen ne atimi atototo sa na ema nyina anhwe yi a asempa eni ye beto aboa ponko so ndi ka frɛ malaria ni asensu amananom enkane no enka o Fred driver ni anu mo dance ye me wa na wu driver ni anu me wa no sabra no na buza kwajo for do a be kire o se ya be ma mutimi de car key to akrantie ti de ne se ase no ya nya no kura ponchi kotoge de sasabra se mu ma no ba na de fufu so ena busa sa ye nua mo ma no se kokko ne nka tempo timi to bi mo o ma ni ade ne work campaign ana ye din no professor na engineer mata ye di ho komo ya be ma komo kwamboate komo chazanso anything na mo ye ta
ya be ma dodo na be se mo ka bi why nti ma ye fa won si ansa
ya de se mo so matias ye na ma bo ho de ru se adrova fo asom ni asom so mpanti mba ma ya kakra so ya da Adom FM fo ase
ya mene hene ya da se bebre ebusiafo ya berima PRO e the Mother True Drivers Union and I'll tell in Kano obi the message about say good morning Asempa. Even in Europe, fuel prices have gone up. So what are we talking about? Okay, may I see break from that message. Nipan or Italy and or the buy 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Yentie dia also Walker. Alright, I'm Siamen Kwa Homanos Mefa first caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Jambacho Udini baby out frefi.
But your good one day. Make a difference.
Me pacho you, yentio.
You and me boy about Juma Power for me team compare and Mr. Hatchem is I'm so much nominated to stand off. To me, I'm so open that they do make questions. Also, you know, only quiet. I was on the basis. Yeah, it is a message. Yeah, brother, yeah, we know. I did assign your money in a cost, but they are not Ghana. You say, you're quiet. They check the population is back and these days. It's never be on the mark. Estimating people this month. I told you, you might yeah, but the more about I need to make that.
I was coming to February. I some drink count 0302216561. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. 0302216562. Me ante wonka na osofo increment we dey na wakafa ho. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's a very good to the background.
Me bache enti o.
But the best me say it say what Jesus can announce at 20. Say we check and we are sat to say 23 one.
E bache ye be hwe de be kwa akosi.
That's it.
Ya me ne hene mesime da se bebree. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Show me them.
Odem pa.
When we because Odem cry my
Odem.
Mojuma.
Ya me ne hene.
Ka petro. And I am in some bay you. Na mi busa say. I am on fanke chemu mrai. Seni the petrol ya tu. But everything prakwa na ya sia tumuno. I am in tiasie. The petrol sia tuma one two petrol. What you say? Indeed, if I can't two petrol, no me change my request petrol. What to? Nagana for you. Say, when saying you two petrol. Now, we to pray to what to petrol more. Then change a movie. I'm not any pioneer once a papa. The best idea or however. Bye bye.
Patia Busia Medasibebri, Medase 0302216561. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Nyametiase.
You me did nana eji anata kwa eji mishi utmaso problem.
E bacho yetio.
Tamri bina se me pi pasa me Ghana ni ana me rap. Ghana yo me anya me hwa ye. Ye hwe nyoma e me yesika, yesika kokko, ye timba, yesu munna muni. Nyoma de bra anya kopon di fam wa kan ye ho. Na ye da ho eti ohia ni ahokyere mu a na me ra ho. And maybe I me to Quanko Beni for the holidays. Beni ye best a Ghana mufa. Ye gila to Kashi Ghana and no media Munuma. Now, so I hope Tony Adel Benino. A Beni Ghana Hanon. Then Tina say, who shares a private school COVID by a woman at the private schools. They be na ye medi. They a global hokra a Christian Yakimunia Momofa. Ubetra light beer, Ubetra Danka, Ubetons you, said the Ubecotel Cobitia Hoka. Now it's up to petrol, Munayako affected transport. Obi betu kwan lorry fare nipa ko fa ni makra ba o so betu ntiye na ye nie adwuma no ye be de ni atno man yi mu hwe asempa Usha bebre na e sha konfu no enu sa hochire okomde no onisika edanwura edaneka odi obi ka otumi ntia wakoji lo covid adwuma yagu ye edaneka edede ni pension ho akonfo semia abane bi enfa so no eya afefan ye ho chire ye ntia hwe ne yenye yo bibi ama bebre wo Ghana ana first Africa ha no mo a wo mo chi won kwase Ghana nanso wo mo ni ma se Ghana nanso no wo mo ho nchire won se ye ho chire ne betu ne mum na se bu ne dia tum ye susu kra ye hwe ye se a wonye politician ana wonye sofo a ye se wo dia ho chire no eno ne se wo mu na mi hu ye mbobɔ na ide ko ne nko yi
Abusia Mate me da se bebre me da se sa wo frɛ 0302216561. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes sir.
But petrol no said almost to so no tonight thank almost so almost to workers who pay so private workers pay bibia na ke ne na mate na o to petrol so na on to workers who pay so na said workers pay so no you know almost shana almost to petrol so almost to workers who pay so and one on that say
me ba choma to miss me da se bebre. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sempa.
Yes boss.
Majesty.
Majesty yentio.
Yeah, no family no. Se wa sinema papa Anisa.
Ya mene hene.
Ani chale pastor Anisa Jeti. Na anya na mo utomo. Asempa. Enda asema na president ache. O say on to bia ketin. No de no example. Esa no kan.
Zanetie on to executive ministers on one kasa advice.
On to ketin. Asempa fan say obi yejuma gapoa. Casual. Yen tuni pe.
Dabi nyabotre bi o man pani kan ye no wan kasa adwumayefo nyina o. Nyabotre o se ono ne vice ne ministers o ka executive wasem. Timbacho o ye adwuma obi be fufuru anyabotre why?
Okay, sympathy. The president ono kasa on tuni pe mo enye news. Vice on to vice pe mo enye news. Ministers on to pe mo enye news. DC on to pe mo enye news. Because no we DC ya un touch you DC or tema on touch every week piano ye ban funeral allowance we ka be no ga na ye man funeral allowance it want to pay man nanya ni so make na sempa mi di ya so for Ghana say ho ya could you believe say some time ago pastors liba out say president JGM it should use common sense say but no you should use common sense in everything that you be doing. And I said before, I could see airport in the Mayan. So what I say, it's COVID Jaleo, or Biamuch, I'm afraid you go, addresses for a Jumu, and you never be good. And that is not to common sense, not find your found your own toy. And also for you come, you say, no, just say, Obian to me, Casao, Obian to me, Casanka, JD, and Mama, and I say, President Beef, who will be an increased petrol by this time of the country, has shaped like this. Come on, Gasa. And come on to get money left and right. The mama no president on any partner. And I need a bad to get me, but President Akufa Kasem, they are saying, your computer, Nina, no one do know. Who was the position? Who on Qualatre? Now we'll be at 10 cities and a Pomco Square at Ghana. Post school bar, no more be 5 cities, and 15, 45 Ghana. Now, I'm going to 45 cities a day. You might come 45 cities a day. Not to say to $7 peso, yeah, $1 peso. No, there you go. Hey,
I was Mate, as some drink out made us a break. 0302216562. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Apome.
Yameti again.
My friend, 1,000 years.
Oh, Vache, and then when you but already you'll be there, money come from. Why?
Me Pacho. Your friend, you make a Safico for you.
Yo.
The Pacho, you course, in one Casa now, Beba, Obo, a good year, Musa, Beba, and now say, Ubifu Front was or better than Bushi for Edgar. Everything. It is a consequence here. The every year they say, "You get them by moment." Penny or your papa, Ekri, a beba, a yenina betty, say, Emma, your betty, iti, and Yamino in Yajuma. Nan so numbers may our bubon to was a bro. My trouble say 1 month in Yansan and Lemons account. Into me pacho.
A batcher, you mate.
When I want Catan to meet our number.
Me batcher,
no one commodity.
Me batcher, you mate. As in being count. Producer, me batcher, Yana. Watching the number, Mammy Way. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Asempa.
Yes, sir.
Nana Kwame Safuni, Kasamba Bessa, Associate President, the fireman on the radio. That's why Asempa down. And free. Asempa Boko there.
Nametiasi.
Your best, we are line on Montobo Bonamu in Kaman about on the Brepa.
Mati.
Now, me come as Samson, my main chief of Pakistan, and run the Ghana Union Movement. As a power, I dear Bakwa de Piana, Mikasa Ghana, and the Ghana Union Movement, and I'm jumping to him. There are two political parties, NDC, people, why she can sort of the IGP Bonnie. Yabasha, to a movie. MPD can fire you better than Colamful. Taxa, on my pedia 2 years, you see a driver force, Momusu. Yen, I am a money in here. Yabakachi is a crowd by Rosaba, in Tiabanso, the boy, ever Pekufa, so the 1% of Bacteria, and my ensure, so you who send it here because yet to be before you acquire Mutoma. Light and so you be, and then you the above to a taxi in Tia. Emma na driver for Musu, ya beto about Kwaji, hand sanitizer, Obeji hand dryer, Obeji aviation, Tumaba, Conhepan, no about the same party, NDC and PP. Now, political parties, better as a person, to be ultimate Ghana, 70 years you. As you know, now MPP and this TCB or no more Sabekesai, and now a Cuba was some what Kaya Sampano, no more Besano. And only at Tracia, the Asham and Akos Ghana, NDC and the way Emia, over 4 years in Bra, Yabapa Jodamani Mama Casemi, and I against a Ghana, I refuse. You may never see near Quaquajan to my hair, hand sanitizer, both fruit, because you go ne, your friend is a both fruit and a yogurt tobacco. Oh, now, Empinoya, dear piety, a lie Mukan or my yogurt tobacco, nor the Akotuaba, Obeda no man Becoso, Yemia and Usu, Yen Musa. So you are saying yet before I did 2 about Ghana, but you put you. I'm a Ghana for in top of Fradia, and they see a Ghana back on my Chama Pakistan, I'm not Mr. Ghana Union, only I'm here.
Martin, may I see Bebre, may I say, I don't call myself for Yabefa, the very last caller. Hello, good morning. Hello, too bad. Okay. And Tiabusia, more pen numbers, you know, maybe Monsieur for phone and for pen ni paper. Na etro Adom FM, your numbers, you know, Fatoho. About 0302 216 561. Mrs. Subio 0302 216 561. And Anna 0302 216 562. 0302 216 562.
Baby, do it in summer favor. I'm beside you, see Fimano. Said I would do a Germany, I'm showing him do stuff if I'm home. I would do me be a dent to some kind of a film. You're too sexy, you're too bad, you're too naughty. Oh, I got to stop, see me to talk to my body. I want to know, make it itself, yeah, moment. Make it talk to my body, make it itself, to go and see how it's a be a lobby. Georgia Mojo, says up on the couch and what come and be a lobby. Georgia Mojo, says up on a be mistress, let me a lobby. Georgia Mojo, says up on a be mistress, let me a lobby. Georgia Mojo, when you say shine, well, extra so hard, very good track.
And it's about 20 minutes to the top of the hour. And now, person, you're the bro. Obidum be a dukumi. I'm not sure about you. I say, wow. I'm not going to say, you're faster than my CBG. CBG, so we stand with you. COVID a brave. You go to our service. Your customer service, your first class. CBG, say, bro, my swear. Now, open to me so your transaction, you know. Go dial it, *924#. After why your transactions. Vodafone say together we can. And one day for will be BM. As I one day no. And one year to me the BBD Diasa. Ya de Casa Bisa questions. Come one day no. The other from Fidia come. Technology come one. And you're not just said, yeah. A Bebra training to us, yes, so. And if Vodafone, I see you shining my phone with technology, you bet me a BBR. Log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Yes, you are Vodafone. I say together we can. Agbeve Herbal Center, Yarisha Fie. Yankoja Yarisha. Yaria Benedaso. Wakra Enko. When you trim Agbeve Wati, Hobeto. Latest from your partner for life. Enkonya Papa. Latest from their Begaso. And batch of Bomadina Copebi to our office, hotel phone Toby. If you ain't Toby into your hall, latest phone, your partner for life. I'm gonna say, I say, I didn't personal the bro. Obi Dumbie Edukumi, as some drink out.
Asum bien council onia
German bibi abokode
Ewrade Adom boko na nso e
na me ne hene ye giremu pa
yo atiase
o waden
abrante no nwum na no wo no wo se me gidi se oba me ba ofia hwinsi
o se
wo se me gidi se me ba ofia ntoko bi esi
oje ho dia bodi
me de oba me fie dia ntoko bi si
sa oje ho dia bodi ala jo aba jo se wa sun dwe ga
so kwesi
bibi abokwa no pe
akubo gusi shrame
ya da oba dia se mene here
ntokwa dey light
o say
survival of the fittest
mentiase
e ba chomo be ko amonko me ba why ba busia me kwa homa no so na fei ye ne enu aba e cha atwetwe koma e cha akopiem e wo Achimota preparatory na edie na ekoso wo ho e cha mutimi nka asomdwe nka wana pei
meje so asompa
na Achimota preparatory edie na ekoso wo
tipia de obepiem wa Achimota preparatory school ahaye butu nyina ne se awofo HFS oforiso boso me da tosto aduasa e wa fimpinu ne aduno ba komo e mofra no fam 34 no e kire mock exams wono mo wa obehu se aposifa okrokro tuo be abionu abasuku mu wono wonante se ene sani a woti die ene municipal director of education wo okai ko North Assembly na asuma wono mo se take over about us will take you over preparatory school no and I want mo eba be ye wa bra mo fra no chere exam na empedi practical ko me je no ko no e ja wo foni bi wa hanum sei me ne won mo be chiton komo na dia ene won mo apentem ke ko hia mo yi won man kasa e de tuga
echa me ba cha answer na woni awofo ne be chichen komo no school no say wan ya se ne hye GS person mo take you over
school no say a private school say ya kasa ya
oh okay
I'm say PTA and a private school so it's almost just say buy to say will take you over I was so one a church for any PTA at nothing and sana what you me aye what say GS say asem no e course a course am one more kind so mbeti me aba first school no e di society e one more e kan then so awofo no to say was one more ene awofo no etnase ejune ho efa kwan ya wono befa so ebu school no emra ana se wono mo ateki over school no
ame bacho
koso dia enya bia wono beti ase
e bacho anyam bia omo de court krata bia bre school na tre se court ahese GS and take over school no
oso mo fa court krata bia awofo no se BTA se omunya court krata bia
echa ma minja mana ni awofo ni ntwetwe nkomo mfa mo sem ntu
papa mo akwa baba Adom TV yenhwe ena mo ba ye press conference mo nanti si ankasa ne sen
nanti si ne sen mia GS fi aban so oji school no ye bonyo so na enye sa na ye ji ade na so big ade na sa ade yi ofa otule hu kana se ye wodi a eya na ye ta ka se ba be kire se ne ye se sa ade ye wodi a ansa na waje na se o me nyaade bi kwa wo fom ana obetumi se na o tati se wo bo me se wo ji ade na me so no mi nya no ho ntia ase sa se ye wodi a se mi nienti a se se ye wodi ana se nienti a wo ji ade
Entisa na mombe na mopese mutu
ana mo ye pese ye tu se ye pese ye tu ni se ye ni se ni aji ye no enya ban enya court bia na man krata minim say mu ye nsentrefo say court ema obi tumi so onye ade a aka wutu bia ho no a obehu ahyenso die bebree ye dia fam ho tese so person obi sa de no ho sema bisa so mesi ana tese si ana ya dan ya de na ma so mesi no so benten na so anya bia wo ba ha no ho bibisa mi ba wo ho bibisa na tese mi GS na no party fo bi na sha ban sha omati na etiatia wom se omunya ni omuye no omunya asase no empendi omwo adwuma na nya ye nkola no ho na ehia wom sanke nkola no ho na ehia wom a soja fo atu amene wom me fa school no mu pam nkola exam enye se ya wuko no nkola exam now a police for atuo architect ni akode pam pam boy class ade ye wo Rwanda na ana ye wo Iraq
you na chesa sampa de ekwaso no na ne awofo ni bi so bakoso akasa
me bacho
Adom Sesha na mo ba yi amafa no ebi hu na bia se wo no mu
hu de bu nkola ni pa e se dan nkola e tro mo fi wa odo mi wa ya mo kra ba so police be gu ha no e ba ngba fi kwa no ya na ka so anwo be so bo mu tin ko tiro na nkola ki tin ki su ya de mo nya so president do mi de ko so mo ni ya so president time kwa me ba ko site then man pe ni ba ko site na me ba ko site ebi o pa oni nbi na no
asemba na kese de ekoso ewo asemota pe school
bacha wo papa yo kasa ye nka fa ne to ahoma no so ma me misa no question mark me no bi
me bacha yo
hello eja eja bacha me din dia asempa body ntwe me kakra
me din na kwa me asam 1
yo me bacha wo ka PTA ho
me ka ho pa me ma me no wo
oh okay and you know school no management say why na manage school no
school the first one na wa na headmaster bi na wa but say o ma change na new administration but say ni do the ekoso wo ha ni abelo ko dan wo ha ni ebe yi
me bacho school no mo say private school
actually what preparatory school
okay and
private yes
a private school
me bacho
say private school bia wo wura ana
me bacho
enti we hwan dia
oh I said PTA school the parents are teachers
enti PTA no mo ana hemase
yeah
school no mo na mo found here mo na mo see here
Adom Nsem bacho sen
me bacho na me bizaze school no mo ana mo found here mo na mo see here na
titi school
bacho entity school PTA tete na starting school na yo we jam bacho body cheme
okay so me call
me bacho opposition
me part of the PTA
but oh yeah PTA executive
me PTA member
yeah. But on bese ya tibi bi ase kakra school no why mo na chichire school no as say ya achimota preparatory no
school no fi ase de a teacher for na no mo try de wo achimota college no abrofo no omo yire no ena e decide say omo nya baby ampo e drum made enti nipa ba ko no e school na say e won a garage ena ada ma omo around omo bi omo ma be kan ti omo re na nkola na e boss ena omo bi sa head of Achimota College no ena governor na kata ma omo say omo fa enyi ti sa na school ha atwa ena abofo no kwa no mo hand over to Ghana for na no for ha teacher to no mo start wa han enti school ne de nya ban na see ena enya ban dia nya ban na ban no wa de school we da
right me ba to school no
yeah was regarding problem infrastructure refurbishment whatever yeah teacher for any parent of the case na ye problem down near the yani sister for
Me bacho enti aban first ka bia mbe wura mu da.
Aban kapre ni school mu ha.
Enti se say no PTA mu ana mo manage.
Ye na manage.
Enti aban fi here o say oba beji school no.
Omo pia se asase ne aban asa.
Jim FM.
E bacho asase na school ni sisu no. E ya Chimota school asase.
E ya Chimota school asase.
Ana Chimota school ya aban school.
Chimota school ya aban school.
Enti aban se asase na sisu ni nti no na oba beji.
Ya no
na Ada na monim se asase ne ya bind ya na deda da bianka montoye knowing very well say mo na mo manage school no.
There was how say school ya wa time 19 since over 70 years school ya wa ha. Obia meka ye running the school fine. Almost running on school fine. There hasn't been any need to say Obia wants to own this land for anything but to educate children. And if you have the option of bringing your children here, you bring your children here and then they get trained.
Yes, I understand that very well, but the school no mona mo manage. School no so si obi asase so. And mo make any effort say assassin esiso no. Money assassin ra bedi nkomo na bedi mo side. And I'm making effort na anye.
There's been attempts of Washington School to reclaim this land for a while. It has been fought. They've been going for a map of who fought near there. Ruling or more ruling said as I don't know the family for you as School or more
so it means a court rule is assassinate at Chimota school there. But who court ruling behind.
Who court Rick Dia MO Friday or Moja police for it.
But your man requested for the court ruling no now man farmer.
Oh well it hasn't been necessary because Omona ruling. Omona is almost normal effect. The almost effect.
Yes, but at least most of them school see so. Said yeah, Makofa police for near a soldier for Abbey and at least and Kamobe requested for the ruling. Some of us motion.
Me sure yes, actually the restraining order for request for restraining order to defend.
But us
we are not I mean we don't like what is going on.
But
our parents people are not aware of the efforts of course.
As it stands now, that is sad dia na assassin ya bind dia. It means ya bind begin assassin ma from school. Mo de be coin.
Asampa. If you make a say omo be sha fear iron some people share mo.
Okay.
Nti ni pa ya woni ya ka say we free me kakra.
Me pacho yo.
De be so actually bia no.
Me pacho.
De ba na ehwe on say.
Mate, me pacho de twigo ahoma so fabra. Why? Right, I'm here for not just me wase akoso wa Chimota Preparatory School. And I would say and wa join here Adom 106.3 FM. I was here mo fa ne enko. Ba bia dun dem some ba fa ne makomako. Nti de ne de fiase.
Yenye na. Shase ano choba na.
Nkrata no.
Ya yide.
Mo hwengum.
Mama fa we shase because there is an interesting story be The National Enquirer.
Okay.
Do bokrata ena mekuta wa hase. Na Ghana man panyi dada. John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
On said no na edidie mu se de.
Yeah, World Press Freedom Day.
Press Freedom Day.
Yeah.
It is say yen central for ye benya ye freedom. Ni aye adwuma, ni aka yasem. Obi an kan ye kasa bo an hye ye yem. Obi an hunu na ye. Obi an mo ye ntrene. Eno ho de na eno ye di. Ana man panyi dada. E kasa no chese asa aban we no woteso ne de. Asa wo kasa no anhwa no yi a. Na aye bibie wo ho. Eti Ghana man panyi na nadam kwakufu ato. Wanyi ntum no wontra se. Na wo man krofo kwan san say yan criticize wo kra no a. Wo chia se bi wo twa sanim te na chia. Yen sentrofo ya ye ka bi wo me na ebetumi anya no. Ni aka ni aputi wo on their feet. Eti ne man panyi ene won lazy me and shoe mu. Na criticism se beba nyina no. One accepting a good faith, no one trust it. no mo nso ne so de also mo yema Ghana for kuma eto mo yebu no wonya mfa ma wo na the national inquiry no do bokwata na mekita no ne kwata fa eto so mienu akoda bi wa ha Hanan Nuruddin na sha akoda wonya mfinhia nsia na
why dey at the end of crown no clutches ana
clutches
aden e ba ne say oh
na ne nyina ne se akoda no nam kwan ho wo ko school wo ko sia nkwanhia ene mre bebia yaduru so o maya school koda ense da nya baby papa ntren
carbon no
eno nya nkwanhia no nya nkwanhia sanse ne nana eno ne netie yese ne maame ne papa no e papa free mu eno oba na akoware foforo no mama mre ne amane mu no e wati firu mantem ho no ya na nkoda ne ye mema no dia enti oba ne koware no wo se wo gya akoda no ema bema na ema maame ne papa which is nkra ne nana no titama nkwanhia ne ba sa no na sika ne fie tie no mo de tena dunsini hwa no mo de aduo kyekyerekere wi asna ne nane pro no mo de kopie mo hospital na mpanifo hu se de aduru de giso mu twa nine wo mu atwa akoda mfie nsia obekuta clutches ya to God knows when ya obefiri mu a na so bedro no te se abusua so omu hia moa omu hia moa papa omu hia mo na nton mansire no emu e wati fudu mantem ni mu na kroni din no ekroni din wo hu
adukumi betimi abo ne na fo wana fo me brentino
BALSHIE
o se o hefa oh ayu how Rebecca Nantoma
na the
nso oba ahomachi be no nine
ona ne kuta wo bebrebe
mon frère Aisha Aisha be bo amaye Aisha
Rebecca Nantoma be
na Aisha wada ne asantini
adabi o Aisha be
we dey crew we dey come
Stella kakra o Aisha be bo amaye Aisha be bo amaye
Bauchi community
Aza Aisha wa ha na wo bebre
Aisha wa ya da ne asantini
aka wona say no kra ne ne ye be fa sa
eti mo amu ati fidu mantem mu na ntomansiri ni mu no se krobu we frere se Bauchi a ho asem ne ye ka no Hanan Nuruddin akra fie 9 se abusua no se wo mo sere mo hia moa say the artificial leg bi kra na
and there was so to me
we say special appeal bi
I say ba kono so Hanan
okay
Hanan Nuruddin
ye be fa na sa
okay it we me special ayi kwa ma otimantem ne so afo unipa otimantem so afo yes oni e body di nyina boy ensem maka mama yi say ye hu say omo a sebi omodi there say disability is not inability enti obu nyina anti yesere wontwede ni emfa nkofre Hanan e wo ye atifido mantem no emu na mpanimfo bi nso akasa the big one here was the national inquiry anymore was a health danger Ghana to receive 350,000 expiring COVID vaccines from UNICEF mpanimfo chemu a over 1.3 million AstraZeneca ya ye wo ye bi no omodi akopiem e wo DR Congo 4th March and omode koye na mpanimfo bubu asese na bibire mama makoma num ma cha amaye a Ghana ka ho na wo mo ehwehwemu ni kiremu se Ghana ye de na ebenya na hwa ye nsa beka no na days aka kura nubo so me na say
zamam
entino UNICEF wona beche
rabedu ana yasbai
350,000 I say sabe da kabo so me na say ye che bebedru ha no mo a pedifo hwe
na wotwe me yenu
ansana omo bie se ye me we a first dose no sana omo the second dose na my enti the national inquiry da obokrata na abosa amane kumi
yafa crusading guide obokrata enfanto aso the new crusading guide obokrata no the other benie was here Kufuado freezes salary increment tino sese empanyufo a wo mo no man no woda no mampanyini na bedi akire asoafo na namusifo wo bi amampanyini ato ne safro se bra na beboa ne bia no yaseme hwa ni musa afi wei akatua ntumu beba mampanyini so de ahye fridge mu wa freeze no wo de ahye fridge mu ne nyina ne se COVID-19 eko a yesu ai no mampanyini se sika na nko mo de beto o maketua so no wo de kwa kuwuram na afi ye de akọ COVID-19 ene de obokrata aye friends said the new crusading guide and what they want some aba na wo hwe hanso a o se 18 FDA approved homeopathic medicines introduced into the Ghanaian market and want some e wo ha yes homeopathy e kwan ye fa so sayare abefo kwan ye fa so sayare sese de abode e wo man mu ndro ni bia ba monte a Ewurade Adom FDA for age e de atum na Dr. Michael Chemate C4C wona na da no wo panyine yesiri ndro ne ka pa amende ndro ni bia wo de ba monte FDA for age e de atum se ye no se de be ye betimi de asa ye ho yare ntie ne da obokrata the new crusading guidance nsem bi ka we hu what wants my ba monte a obetimi ato no wakenkan bi
abusia emre na so Momra so entino emre na so
me fa chronicle de afia we
me ba chofia bonito mame
empanifo nsem no adwuma de son kokko so awon kran pumpuni mantem ha sei na mpanifo hwe kwan be fa so a ye sika akwa yewo ene wo mu atukan be piem wo man mu company so mutu gold no e ho mfa so ye betum de aye man ye na mpanifo bi aka so mo che se de ye nsaka no ete se de wodo dan ma ha na age rent
asamo
ya de gold no ete se de wodo dan ama han
ya de sia wo
ete se arani amfa ne ma ngu akwa mu a se sika no betum aye mfa so de ama ye ya se mfa se wodo dan ma han na se 30 years afi bia meje 1000 Ghana
asam
nipa ne tena mu du me be hu ni se nkrofo sisi adam no be du me bu value ni baba fom eti panifo hye na santemawura otufo se tu abebi na nanso onsem finhia aduonu mienu on the throne 1999 bepem 2021
na menim se obekokra o
say
menim se obekokra fast
am I invite me se kumi
so omonya nwie yu
so bugusu
atuama
ntira ba ne
yebeko ntie wi on
mongo fast
ne mamenchia supply cool limited
okay
penyim power de buy not it laboratory memu
right
and was kuntu hania ni cha na kunti wabebi car servicing shop ye mpotemo a Israel police station ani mu pe
okay
e ho na wonti no wo do na man wo twafa wo kwa so woni anoche aba no
ya mebe
kids that ubudi o asempa no sorry wa pampe
ya mebe
onya wo de I don't know that's the boko Mini manade bano, pari binade mamo. Mini manade bano, oti pari binade mamo. Aseme chichi for gentlemen, cheme ya loboko. Aseme chichi for gentlemen, helmiti for baba. Mini manade bano, oti mini manade bano.
Right, that was your best sorry so now for Adom Sports page 1. Yeah, they are bro. Basan and Somame, Uber Adom Roma. To make 100 trips. Accra, Cape Coast, Accra, they are 1,900 Ghana cedis. What them? Nakumase, who make 100 trips are 1,600. Oh, what day? And to what trend then? Uber. Is it what did you Uber home? Hey, Radius. What's up, Uber Cecia? Oh, you're driving in. But joining Uber. WhatsApp is 0209 722